The sun cast a golden hue over the city skyline as people bustled through the streets, each moment infused with the rhythm of modern life. Amid the pulse of progress, one name echoed through homes, offices, and digital landscapes alike: Samsung Galaxy. It was more than just a smartphone, it was a companion, a bridge to infinite possibilities, a symbol of technological mastery shaped with precision and innovation. In the heart of this evolving world, the Samsung Galaxy was not simply used, it was experienced. From the moment the device touched a user's hand, the first impression was nothing short of awe. Its sleek, curved body nestled effortlessly into the palm, its frame crafted from a seamless blend of glass and metal. The screen came alive with vibrant clarity, a display that wasn't just high definition but an experience in itself. Colors burst from the screen with a richness and depth that mimicked reality, powered by Samsung's state-of-the-art dynamic AMOLED technology. Watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing through photos felt like stepping into another dimension. But it was not just about the display, it was what lay beneath. The Samsung Galaxy pulsed with a processor that could rival a full-sized computer. Speed was its ally. Apps launched before the user could blink, multitasking was smooth as silk, and even the most power-hungry games ran with zero lag. Every tap, swipe, and command flowed effortlessly. It was like the device anticipated every move, ready before the thought had even completed forming in the mind. Photography on the Samsung Galaxy was a revolution on its own. The camera system wasn't just smart, it was visionary. Multiple lenses worked in unison to capture life with all its vibrance and nuance. From the microscopic textures of a leaf to the endless expanse of the night sky, the camera adapted, adjusted, and transformed ordinary moments into photographic masterpieces. Night mode turned darkness into detail. Zoom brought faraway scenes within arm's reach. Portrait mode blurred the background into a soft dream, making every subject shine like a star. For the creators, the storytellers, and the explorers, this phone became a creative partner. Video recording reached cinematic quality with 8K resolution. Editing tools were right at the fingertips, allowing anyone to craft visual stories with precision and artistry. Artists could sketch, musicians could record, and entrepreneurs could design, all on a single device. Yet the Samsung Galaxy wasn't only about performance or aesthetics, it was also about connectivity. With 5G technology embedded into its core, the world opened up like never before. Downloading large files took seconds, streaming was smooth even at the highest quality, and video calls felt as clear as sitting face to face. It broke the barriers of time and distance, making global communication instantaneous and effortless. The software experience was carefully